want sex. I want sex!
In a world where stress follows you and money leaves you, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. However, there is one antidote that many people have overlooked that could help them de-stress and even boost their productivity. Yes, I am talking about sex. Sex. Sex is well known for bringing pleasure and for procreation. However, if you thought that sex was only limited to procreation and pleasure, well then, let me burst your bubble. Sex, or making love as some people call it, is good for adults, and having it regularly is even better. Sex never gets old. It is evergreen. It is sugar, spice, and everything nice. It is difficult to describe the exhilarating moment of getting intimate with your partner. When lips and bodies lock, there are butterflies and fireworks that make you feel like you are on top of the world. With love, trust, and understanding comes intimacy and sex. This extremely intimate act not only gives you and your partner intense pleasure, but it also releases feel-good hormones that help you to feel good throughout the day, boost your immune system, and keep you active. With these awesome benefits, how come you are not indulging in sex every day? Fret not, I will help you to appreciate the health benefits of sex. Here are 5 reasons why having sex every day is beneficial. 1. It builds emotional intimacy. 2. It makes you feel better throughout the day. 3. It boosts your immunity. 4. It reduces stress. 5. It increases blood circulation. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I will give you a bonus benefit that will make you feel like Orochimaru from Naruto. So, let's dive deep into these reasons. Sex is not merely about physical intimacy. It helps to strengthen the emotional bond between the two partners. Have you ever been in a friends with benefits or a situationship where you and the person agreed to just be intimate and keep things casual? What happened? In a lot of cases, those relationships have one or even both partners start wanting more, wanting to be in a serious relationship and to be exclusive. This is more common with women because when women have sex, their body releases oxytocin that causes them to feel closer to the guy they are making love with, especially if that guy is putting it on her real good to the point she decided then and there that she'd rather tearing up the sheets than tearing up the streets. All in all, for any relationship to be successful, it is important that the people involved are emotionally on the same page, and having sex is a fantastic way to build that emotional intimacy. According to research, people who had sex in the morning coped better with their daily stress and even sailed through the day in a good mood. Thanks to all the feel-good hormones produced after a session of sex, couples are armed with a smile to all the challenges that life throws at them daily. Do you get sick a lot and wonder how you can stop being sick all the time? Well, regular lovemaking increases the level of the immune-boosting antibody immunoglobulin A, IgA, which in turn makes your body stronger against illnesses like the common cold and fever. Have you ever been stressed out with money problems, work problems, family problems, or just life in general? Do not let it affect your performance in the bedroom. Not only will having sex improve your mood, but a study has also proven that folks who engage in regular bedroom activities can handle stress better and are happier people. Sex is an exercise everyone enjoys, and because your heart rate increases when you have sex, fresh blood is supplied to your cells and organs. While used blood is removed, the body also expels toxins and other materials that cause you to feel tired. So, those are 5 reasons why having sex every day is beneficial. And, as promised for making it this far in the video, I will give you a 6th reason why you should have sex more often. Orochimaru, from Naruto, goal was to learn every jutsu in existence. However, he quickly realized that to learn every technique in the Naruto world would take more than a single lifetime. Hence, he got obsessed with immortality to buy himself more time. While having sex every day won't make you immortal, it will definitely promote longevity. How, you may ask? Well, when you have an orgasm, a hormone called dihydroepiandrosterone is released. This improves immunity, repairs tissue, and keeps the skin healthy. Men who have at least 2 orgasms a week live longer than men who have sex just once every few weeks. There you have it, guys. Sex is an amazing moment of intimacy and one of the highest expressions of love that creates a powerful bond between 2 partners in a relationship. So, If someone you like may want to know some reasons why they should be having sex or having more sex, especially with you, you can share this video with them and let them know that Jamaican Reddit authorize it. Anyway, please smash the subscribe button for more ins and outs of relationship, comment and let us know if you have ever experienced any of these benefits before. And if you like this video, check out some more videos on the channel on the screen or in the description below. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Love.